Welcome back to the channel. I'm Viper, and today we're gonna go over 5 surprising things you probably didn't even know you could do with your Quest. Check it out.
Did you know that you could play your games and you can watch your baby? Right now watching myself, so whatever, right? You can have anything up there. You can watch outside. So you can have a baby monitor or a family monitor. You can have something up there watching your camera. You can game. You can be in reality and see your reality at the same time. How awesome is that? I rumble! So you're playing a game, trying to figure out what to do, and you know what? You get hungry. You don't want to pick up your phone and try to get out of your game, right? So you go, I need a pizza. 4, 4, 5, 8, 5. And you call Pizza Hut. Here's what to do.
Thank you for calling Pizza. Is this for delivery or carry out?
It's for delivery.
Delivery? May I have a phone number?
And that's what you do. You call Pizza Hut and you can still play your game. You go right back to playing your game. That's what we do in VR. Did you know you can do that? So did you know if you're doing something and for some reason don't want to use your controllers, you could just go, hey Meta, take me to Horizon Worlds. How cool is that? Using your voice to get you around the metaverse. It's just that simple. So we all know we got the YouTube app right here. Did you know that you can co-watch YouTube with other people? All you have to do is go to the co-watch button right here. Watch together. Open YouTube in your home to invite friends to watch together. And you just open it up in your home and then you can watch YouTube with anybody else. You hit the co-watch up here, invite people. Everybody can play the video or control the playback. No one can see your searches, home, or browser page. Videos you watch together will be saved in your YouTube watch history. You can invite people in your home and all you guys can watch YouTube together. Gotta say, that's pretty fantastic. Alright, so did you know how you go to your library and you see all these apps here and you're like, man, I just don't want all these apps to show. I got a lot of apps. I just don't want to see all of them. So all you have to do is you go to the 3 menu bars right here and you go to hide. It's going to hide that app. Now it's gone. You can start cleaning up your app library now. And then when you want it back, you go up here, you go down to hidden, and boom, it's right there. If you want to get it back, you can just get there and unhide and it goes back. How cool is that?